Students of class 9, advanced students, I'm going to start exercise 6.2. I have finished up to question number 24. Now, in this video, I'm going to start from question number 25. So, the question number 25, it is if in an AP TQ is equal to 2TP TR is equal to T2 Q, then prove that 2P minus CQ plus R equal to 0. So it is already given to you. That is TP, question number 25, that it is already given to you. TP, that is equal to 2, that is TQ is equal to 2TP and TR is equal to 2TQ. It is given to you. That is qth term, that is a plus q minus 1 d is equal to 2 bracket a plus p minus 1 d. Now from here we get a plus q minus 1 d is equal to 2a plus 2 p minus 1 d. Now we are now let me take a one side and d to another side. Therefore q minus 1d minus 2 p minus 1d, that is equal to 2a minus a. Now here d is common, so d is common, so q minus 1 minus 2p plus 2 is equal to a. D, this is how much? Q minus 2p plus 1, Q, that is equal to a. This is the relation between a and d, equation 1. And from the next equation, relation, TR is equal to 2TQ. TR, a plus r minus 1 implies that into d is equal to 2 a plus q minus 1 into d, a plus r minus 1 d is equal to 2a plus 2 d. Now again the same, we are taking a to one side and d to another side. R minus 1 d minus 2 q minus 1 d, 2a minus a, d common, r minus 1 minus 2q plus 2 is equal to a. Now d, this is how much? R minus 2q plus 1, this is equal to a. From equation 1 and 2, see, from equation 1 and from equation 2, we get, from equation 1 and 2, we get, from equation 1 and 2, we get d bracket q minus 2p plus 1, q minus 2p plus 1, this is equal to d bracket r minus 2q plus 1, r minus 2q plus 1. This d and d cancels out. Q minus 2p plus 1 is equal to r minus 2q plus 1. I am bringing all this to one side. So q minus 2p minus r plus 2q minus 1 is equal to 0. 2q plus q, 3q minus 2p minus 2p. Oh, this is 1, not, I have left 1 here. I have left 1 here. Acha, let me cancel this. Q minus 2p plus 1 minus r plus 2q minus 1 equal to 0. Now here your plus 1 minus 1 cancels out. 2q plus q, that is 3q minus 2p minus r, this is equal to 0. See 2q plus q, that is 3q minus 2p, and minus plus 1 minus 1 cancels out, minus r equal to 0. But we have to prove, see, we have to prove 2p minus 3q is equal to my 2p minus 3q plus r equal to 0. So I'm going to do this. It is very easy. Just taking minus 1 common. If we take minus 1 common, the sign changes. It becomes 2p minus 3q plus r equal to 0. The plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. If you take minus common, if you send now this minus 1, if you move to this side, then it becomes 0. So 2p minus 3q plus r equal to 0. Proved. Now I'm going to question number 26. Question number 26. The first term and the common difference of an AP is respectively A and D. In another, the first term and common difference are respectively A dash and D dash. This is given, it is you have to prove this. It is very simple. That is, it is given to you that Sm is equal to S dash M. This is given to you. This is given to you. It is very simple. This is given to you. So Sm, it is M by 2 2a plus m minus 1d, and this is equal to m by 2 2a dash plus m minus 1 d dash. This is d dash. This. Now this and this cancels out. So 2a plus m minus 1d is equal to 2a dash plus m minus 1 d dash. Now I am taking this a dash to left side and this to right side. So 2a implies that. 2a minus 2a dash is equal to m minus 1 d dash, m minus 1 minus m minus 1 d. So here 2 is common, a minus a dash, and here we make a simplification. That is, the simplification is m d dash minus d dash minus md plus d. Now 2 bracket a minus a dash. Now this and this m common, so d dash minus d, and this is d dash and this is here. I can write minus common, d dash minus d. I can write like this. Now if I divide both sides, now dividing both sides by d dash minus d. So 2a minus a dash by d dash minus d is equal to m d dash minus d minus d dash minus d by d dash minus d. This is equal to 2a minus a dash d dash minus d. LCM I am dividing into two parts. The LCM is divided into two parts. That means LCM is dividing. I am dividing LCM in two parts. This means that d dash means making two fractions. D dash minus d and d. This is 1. So this is equal to 2a minus a dash d dash minus d is equal to, this cancels out, and m minus 1, and if we send m to the left side, it becomes 1 plus 2 bracket a minus a dash by d dash minus d is equal to m. Now see what we have to prove here. Say this, m is equal to 1 plus 2 bracket a minus a dash by d dash minus d dash minus d. So m is equal to 1 plus 2 bracket a minus a dash by d dash minus d. Proved. Now I'm going to question number 27. Question number 27. Question number 27, you can see here, in three arithmetic progression, their first term are same and their common differences are 2, 4, and 6 respectively. If the sum of n terms of each of the series are respectively S1, S2, S3, then show that this 2S2 is equal to S1 plus S3. Means there are three arithmetic series. Question number 27. There are three arithmetic series. The three arithmetic series, and the first terms are the same. The first term are the same. Only the common differences are 2, 4, and 6. Means that means sum of sum of n terms, sum of n terms of each of these series are S1, S2, and S3. So first is, I'm just writing it, first series, in the first series, A first term and common difference is 2. So S1 up to nth term, n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1, D is your 2. This is S1. So in the second series, A, this is the first term, and D is your 4. So S2 is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into 4. And in the third series, this is A, D first term is A, D is equal to 6, S3 is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into 6. Now, if I go from, let me go from left hand side, 2S2, 2S2 is your n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1. This is your S2. So now 2 cancels out, and actually let it remain like this. Let it remain like this. Let me go to the right hand side. Right hand side, S1 plus S3. Your S1 is this. S1 is n by 2. Your S1 is n by 2. 2A plus n minus 1 into 2 plus your S3. Your S3 is this, n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into 6. Now, here n by 2 is common. So 2A plus n minus 1 into 2 plus 2A plus n minus 1 into 6. So n by 2, 2A, it comes out to be 4A. And here this and this, n minus 1 is common. So 2 plus 6, it comes out to be 8. Now here 2 is common. So we bring 2 outside, n by 2. Here it is 2A plus n minus 1 into 4. This now. If we compare left hand side and right hand side, see, if we compare left hand side and right hand side, see, both these two are equal. See, both these two are equal. And this you can write it like this, 2 into n by 2. A plus n minus 1 into 4. Now you can see that both left hand side and right hand side are equal. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. And therefore, we can say that 2S2 is equal to S1 plus S3. Now, I am going to question number this 28 first. 28 first, I am going to question number 28 first. It is here, this question is, find the sum of natural numbers lying between 250 and 1000 which are divisible by 3. Which are divisible by 3. 28 divisible by 3 between, that means our first number will be, A will be 251. 251 3 8 are 24, not 251. That means 1 and it will 252. 3 4. Our first number will be 252. Then our second number will be 250 plus 3, that is 255, and so on. And our last number will be divisible by 3, that is 9. And your last term will be 999 divisible by 3. So A is equal to 252, D is equal to 3, and your AN is equal to 999. That means that is one. Next is 1000. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. I have to first of all find out the number of terms, then only I can find the sum. And 999 252 N minus 1, your D is 3. 999 minus 252 N minus 1 into 3. 999 252 7. This comes to be 4, no? So 9 months. And 7 again, then 7. So 747 divided by 3 is equal to N minus 1. 743 7. 3 2s are 6. 1 4. 3 4s are 12. 2 7. 3 9s are 27. So 249 is equal to N minus 1. So 250, this plus 1 is equal to N. N is 250. Now as 250, there are 250 terms. As 250, that is equal to 250 by 2. 2 into A, 252. 250 minus 1, your D is 3. Now 250 by 2, this comes to be 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 1, 2 2s are 4, 1, 5. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, plus 249 into 3. Now 249 into 3. 3 9s are 27, 7 will send 2 hand. 3 4s are 12, 13, 14. 3 6 and 7. So 250 by 2, 504 plus 747. Now 504, 747, 11, 5, 7, 3, 10, 12, no? 1, 2. So this comes to be 125 into 1251. Let me take the help of the calculator. So 75156375. Let me check the answer. Let me check the answer. Say 156375. 156375. Now this question 2, it is left for you. Second number question, it is left for you. This is left for you. Question number 29. If the sum of first n even natural number is S1 and the sum of first n odd natural number is S2, then prove that n S1 is equal to n plus 1 S2. So now question number 29. Even natural numbers, therefore 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, ... And odd natural numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 9, 7, 9, ... So S1 is equal to n by 2 to A is your 2 plus n minus 1, common difference is 2. So n by 2, 4 plus 2n minus 2, n by 2, this is 4 plus, let me, n by 2, this is 4 minus 2, this is 2 plus 2n. Now 2 common, n by 2, 2 common, 1 plus n, 2 cancels out, n plus 1. This is your S1. This is your S1. Now, S1, therefore left hand side n S1, this is equal to n into S1 n plus 1, which comes out to be n square n plus 1. Now right hand side is right hand side is n plus 1 S2. So this is n plus 1 S2 for odd natural numbers, n by 2, 2 into 1, n minus 1, common difference is 2. So n plus 1, n by 2, 2 plus 2, n minus 2. Therefore n plus 1, n by 2, 2 cancels out, into 2n, 2 cancels out. This is n square into n plus 1. Now you see my left hand side is n square n plus 1, and my right hand side is also n square n plus 1. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, and therefore 2s2 is equal to s1 plus s3. Good. Oh, sorry. n s1 is equal to n plus 1 s2.